Hi guys, I hope you're all well. In this video, I am going to show you a number of deep conditioners that you can make at home. This is really simple, cost effective, like you're not having to buy anything. You can literally find most things in your pantry right now. They're all really good for your hair, super moisturizing, helps to get rid of dry, brittle hair, and it leaves your hair soft and really well moisturized, and it stops breakage as well. So let's get right into the video. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. For this creamy banana deep conditioner, I'm going to be using some coconut oil, some olive oil, one banana, it has to be ripe, and then a tablespoon of honey. Basically, I'm going to combine all the ingredients, blend it together till it's completely smooth, because you don't want any chunks of banana left over in your hair once you're done deep conditioning. And then you blend it together, and then you add it to your shampooed hair and leave it in for about half an hour to an hour before rinsing out. Banana really helps to revive dry, dull hair. It adds a lot of shine and moisture to it. Honey is a humectant and it helps the hair to retain moisture. The oils can be substituted. If you're allergic to olive or coconut oil, you can always use an oil that's better suited to your hair, but I prefer these two because olive oil helps to moisturize my scalp and prevents itchy, dry scalp, and therefore it helps to stimulate hair growth. So does coconut oil, which helps to moisturize and strengthen my hair, and it helps me to retain length and grow my hair. And that's pretty much the mask done. It's thick and creamy. All you do is add it to your hair. The next one is the protein rich mask. So it has an egg, it has 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, it has coconut oil, honey, and olive oil. So you'll find that the coconut oil, the honey, and the olive oil are my staples in every deep conditioner because I love it in my deep conditioners. So I'm basically going to combine all these ingredients, whisk it together, and I'm basically good to go. You need to make sure you apply this to already washed hair so that it can there's no dirt that's stopping the moisture from penetrating your strands. Make sure you're not sensitive to protein if you're going to be using this mask as well. This mask really helps to fix dry, brittle hair, especially if you have very thin hair. This mask, if used over time, can help to thicken your hair and make it stronger. The last mask I'm going to show you is one of my favorite masks. So it has yogurt, olive oil, honey, and coconut oil. I'll have the exact amount in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. So I'm basically going to combine all these ingredients, whisk it together, and I'm good to go. Yogurt is amazing for your hair. It really helps to add moisture to your hair, especially if you have thick curly hair like me where it's dry and brittle. You would see a massive difference if you start using yogurt in your deep conditioners. It's amazing. Basically, you combine all the ingredients together, apply it to shampooed hair, leave it in for half an hour to an hour, wash it out, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.